Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to get followers on Threads by Instagram. If you download this new app right here, which is the Threads app, and you want some followers on your profile. So right here, if you go on my profile page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the followers at the bottom of the bio. You'll find here I have only 3 followers right now. And if I want to get some followers, all you need to do is go to your profile page and tap on the share profile button, and it will show up right here all the social media platforms. So you can send a link, and that link, if they click that one, they will automatically go to your to Threads, and it will automatically follow you on Threads. So that's the first way in how you can get some followers. And the second one, you can go right here on the homepage. Actually, if you scroll down, you'll find some suggest profile or suggest post right here. Then if you want to follow this account, all you need to do is just find that post right here or an account. Then tap on the plus icon on that profile picture. And then it will show up you this one saying follow. So just tap on follow and it will add up to your following, and if they follow you back, it can add up to your followers. So you can just go and find some accounts that you want to follow right here, and if they follow you back, you can get that followers too. And you can use this search icon right here if you want to search some account, or if you want to scroll down and find some Threads account or Threads profile right here, and just have to follow them up. And yeah, you just have to wait, and then they will follow you back and it will add up to your followers. So that's how you basically get followers on Threads by Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.